Not, not many databases can say that, but Postgres, it's usually correct. If it says, in this case, I think the query plan is better if you do PostgreSQL on this table and then join it with that, and it's usually correct. Not always. There are some cases where um, the index chosen is not the right one, or where the query plan chosen is not the optimal one. And that is usually due to the statistics, because Postgres has internal statistics on every table, on every index. And one of the things that it has to do is like make a stochastic analysis of the values of a column that is an index is working on. And also on a column that is not working on if you're doing a search on that column. And this stochastic analysis determines for a great part how an index is and how an index is used. So if your index is not used where you expect it to be used, it's usually a problem of not doing a vacuum analyze. And these things are done automatically, but the default settings are not great. Usually a new analysis is run after 20% of your data has changed. In a regular database, 20%. Okay. If you store transactions and after 5 years, your data has piled up to, I don't know, 100 gigabytes of transactions,